Hey guys, good morning. I'm about to go get my nails done. They are overdue. Not sure what color I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go simple, no designs, because it ends up being a lot of money. But it lasted me almost a month and a half, so can't complain. Once a month is not bad. So yeah, heading over to the nail salon and get this over with. I'm here. Maybe it's not busy. It's so windy. That's it. Nails done. Simple. My nails are done. It's so windy outside. Windy. So I did pastel purple for my sister. That was the color of the ribbon for her cancer, lymphoma, Hodgkin lymphoma. So purple it is. I like it. Simple, no design. Kept it simple. Now back home, I stopped in Publix, got some fried chicken and 2 snacks. They will buy one get one. I have to come back because I have a lot of good buy one get ones, but I'm in a rush, so going back home. Got the Reese's Pieces buy one get one, the Welch, and 2 fried chicken. They were $10 and change. I think this is it here. See here, $10.49. They were freshly made, and I got a Hawaiian bread. This is the other chicken here. Same thing, chicken and thighs. I prefer dark meat. Not crazy about chicken breast. So that's what I went to Publix, and now I'm back home. Let's see what else I do. Fig. Sir fig, aí. So tu não chequeaste isso? That's my fig. Look how beautiful. My what is this called? Papaya. The lime. Tiene mucho hijo. Esta, a fig. Putting bird food. Ordered more sourdough from my neighbor. So this one is cheese, and I think she said she put a little bit of garlic. So I'm excited to taste this one. And then I got the plain sourdough. I love my nails. And she sent me free 4, I think 5, because my husband already had one. He said it was good. 5 sourdough cookies. This looks delicious and moist. So yeah, have to support small businesses. But yeah, look how fluffy this is. Yummo. Let's do the taste test. Has chocolate. I'm not sure what the green. Well, the green goes good for St. Patty's. Oh, it's M&M's. This is good. What's my glasses? I don't know. So for dinner, I'm making pasta because today I'm lazy, so I'm making my own pasta. This is what I put in my pasta. So I'm boiling the I have everything here. All of these penne, the penne pasta. I did turkey, ground turkey, and I diced up sausage meatballs, and I mixed it all. I seasoned it with salt, brillo, sazonarse, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder. I put a can of tomato sauce, and I added 5 or 6 pieces of this cheese. This is so good, this cheese, because that's what I have in my pantry. And I'm adding 1 pack that I have left of Velveeta cheese sauce. I'm gonna mix it all here. So that's gonna be my creamy pasta. I tasted this and this tastes delicious, so it's coming out good. I put parsley, okay, hold on, chicken bouillon, sazonarse, garlic, onion powder, parsley. I put crushed red pepper, butter, this cheese that I have, the Velveeta cheese, and I'll keep tasting if it needs a little bit of salt to taste. But yeah, it looks cute, it looks good. But I still haven't added the Velveeta. I'm gonna add this now. I haven't added it yet. And then I'll add the pasta. But it smells delicious. When I cook, I just invent my own stuff. Change the ingredients, whatever I have in my pantry, that's what I put in. I taste it, and that's it. Cooking is not like one way. You can make it your own, change it, put whatever you want, create your own. It's like a project. And I have some 5 cheese toast that I'll put in the air fryer, and that'll be dinner for tonight. It's your Wakshi.